So generally in one workspace we are doing 3 to 4 people. So no one has like own workspace. Nowadays we are not getting workspace that much simple. So that is the reason we should manage for one workspace for 3 to 4 members. So in that way, and once if you create again you are not getting workspace as well. That is also very like we are facing one more issue. So we should do lot of things. So for that one as well. So their intention is like once they provide workspace in within 3 months you should learn. That's it. They don't want to provide one more time workspace. That is the issue. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So we need to do the remaining activities where we have exactly yesterday. I hope
Complete the
two. I think we have completed like
shipping method. Shipping method we completed. Shipping time weeks.
2 sections we have completed.
Yes.
So anyway, we need to go for the third section. So third section is like you can see like create. So this is a little bit tricky activities. So we should keep concentration and we should do. I hope everyone is completed till yesterday activities. Is it correct?
Yes, completed.
I am yet to complete that. Today I will be finishing.
Okay, try to complete as soon as possible, Manisha. Why means these are the activities somewhat different activities. So far, whatever we have done, we should very clear about these activities, and we should be like on same day complete. Then only we can understand. So that will be help for us. So you can see here C section. We need to start from here. And where are our other guys like Feroz and Samyuddin is not there here. Srinivas once check Feroz and Samyuddin. Feroz I send message. He has sent message like he will. Samyuddin needs to join. So okay, anyway. So we can see here we have to start our C section activities. So 3.3.5 2C purchase order line items. So this we have completed and 2C we need to start. So submit purchase order request, you can see we need to understand this instructions and we need to check each and everything here. So if I check this one, so end user select when they want to submit purchase order request. So what is the, we don't have any formula for the purchase order request line item. Why we don't have any formula for purchase order request means, you can see here. So this is a boolean line item format. You can see this one. So whenever they want to raise purchase order request, they will check here. That's it. So there is no formula for the submit purchase order request. So there is no need to create any formula here. Manually selection will do here. User will do the manual selection. So when they want order, they will select, so that according to that one, after the request, purchase order request, the product will reach in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Is it correct? Yes. Yes. So you can see PO submitted, purchase order submitted. So use it for the conversion of boolean formatted line item to numeric value to be used with the offset function. So whatever the boolean format we are using here, submit order request. So if you submitted the purchase order request, then what happened, will tick like this. We'll select submit purchase order request. But we want number here. So if I want number, what should I do? Yes, PO submitted. Simply will create one logic here. So if submit purchase order request, then 1, else 0. So what will you do? Simply nothing is there. Simply we should create one logic here. If submit purchase order request is, if this line item submit purchase order request, then 1, else 0.
Zero.
Then what happened? Whenever if you raise the purchase order request, you will get 1, otherwise you will get 0. You can see here, you will get 1 and otherwise you will get 0. So why we should 0, why we need 0 here means, so we have some reason. So if you want conditional formatting or some other purposes, so in that scenario we need numbers instead of line items. So that is the reason we have created this line item. So we are doing, simply we are creating one logic, and whenever we raise purchase order request, we should get number, and whenever we don't request any purchase order request, we should get the 0. So this is the second line item. You can see each and every instructions we should go through it, and we need to understand. Use it for the conversation of boolean formatted line item to, I want boolean formatted line item to numeric value. That is the reason to use offset function. In offset function, generally what we need, how many periods you want to pull, prior and advance. Is it correct? So you can see whenever if you pull the data, we need the numbers, how many periods, backward details you want and forward details you want. So that we need the number there in offset function. That is the reason we are creating that one. Confirm PO delivery here. So what is confirmed PO delivery? Use it to adjust inventory to week it arrived at the distribution center. So what is mean by confirmed PO delivery? So whenever if you raise a request, it will get submit purchase order and products will reach. So then what happened, when it will reach, you will get to know how much time it will take to reach
Time,
purchase
time.
order. Yes. So
1
how
week,
much
2
time
weeks.
it will take means, so we needs to check the time. Here you can see in this one we need to check the time here. So offset function we should use, and submitted, when did you submit that PO, and you should check the time, then you will get the answer here. So when it will get the deliver, you can see here. So PO submitted happened, confirm PO delivery. So for confirm PO delivery, I want when products are going to deliver. So how I get to know? I should write offset function, and then
Ashik bhai, can you cha- change the zoom size? Font
can I
size?
decrease size?
No, 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 increase, increase. It will
Increase.
increase.
Okay.
Uh,
1 minute.
100%. 100%. Just keep it.
Yes.
yes.
So here what happened? Whenever I raise, you can see when products will deliver. Product when it will deliver means, first of all we should know when did you submit the purchase order receipt. Then
Yes.
what should we check?
Mm,
Shipping time.
confirm.
How much shipping time it will take?
Reach, shipping time. Yeah, reach time.
Shipping time we should check. Shipping time we should know how much time it will take. Then according to our syntax, what we have, 0. According to our syntax, if you write anything out of our time scale, it should write 0. This is our syntax. So offset syntax, offset x y n.
N, Y, N. Yes.
Yes, source, how many weeks it should take, time period value, and you can see here 0. So why we are taking here minus? Did you get any doubt?
PO submitted rate. PO submitted rate minus time period. How many
Why
days it will?
why
So
should we should
that is exactly reaching within the time or not, to check
yes,
that. That's
why, you can see here confirm PO delivery. So each and every time why we should check this line item. First of all, what is our source? PO submitted. PO submitted when do you have? In first week. So each and every time it will check the 2 weeks back. Why 2 weeks back means whenever if you raise purchase order request, when it will reach after 2 weeks. Is it correct?
Yes, yes.
After 2 weeks it will reach. I have raised submit purchase order request in first week. Then when I am reaching my products third week, why it is
Yes.
taking giving reaching third week? So it shipping time is the
Transport time.
transport time is at 2 weeks. So that is the reason we are getting the confirm PO delivery is the one. So in this way we'll get the why each and every time 2 weeks confirm PO delivery. If I want to goods here, when should I raise the submit purchase order request? 2 weeks advance. Is it correct?
Yes.
So 2 week
Yes.
advance I don't have any time period. That is the reason I am getting 0. Here also same. 2 week I will check 2 weeks advance for the PO submit. Do I have any 2 weeks advance value here? I don't have. Again you can see here 2 weeks advance it will check. Why it will checking the PO submitted 2 week advance means I am putting here minus. If I place put, what happened? It will check this PO submitted line item each and every time
So next week. Next week.
2 weeks ago, like 2 weeks future 2 weeks it will check.
Advance.
Here we are checking the past 2 weeks it is checking by keeping the minus. So in this way, why in supply chain this we do this way only. So whenever if you deliver the product, we should give the order for the 2 weeks advance. You can see here I receive products here, but I should uh, request, I should submit the PO submit should be 2 weeks advance, then only I will get the here. So here you can see if I want to reach the products here, I should raise the request in 2 weeks advance, so that I will get the products here. So in this way will confirm PO delivery, it will works. And after completing this formula for confirm PO delivery, we have confirm purchase order receipt. Show inventory received from the order on the week of delivery. So what happened? Confirm purchase order receipt. So we'll get the if you have the confirm PO delivery one, then what is mean by it? You should deliver the product. So what products it should deliver? Whatever the product you have given order. Is it correct? So for that one, where do we have the source? For the where do we have the demand? Where we have the demand details? Yes. Confirm purchase order is where do we have this?
M03.
If confirm PO delivery not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means if it is 1, then final shipment amount you can see final shipping time is L0. So why we have final shipping time means this is a very later formula. We should write the like shipment amount. So here we need to write the uh, different line items we need to write here. So where do we have the shipment amount? Where is the amount do we have here? Suggested order amount, where do we have? So this is your suggested order amount. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So whenever if I raise here, you can see they will provide the instructions here, each and every line item. So confirm purchase order receipt. So what are the things we should consider here? So you can see confirm purchase order receipt line item references the order amount, suggested order amount for the month. You can see each and everything here. We are not watching this they are providing each and everything here. So you can see if the confirm PO delivery line item value greater than 0 means if you receive the product, then offset function we should use, and suggested order amount for the line item by the number of weeks of shipping. If confirm PO delivery greater than 0, offset suggested order amount minus shipping time in weeks, comma 0 L0. So same condition whatever we have written, same thing, but different way we will write. If I want here confirm purchase order receipt, where do I have confirm purchase order receipt? Here I have confirm purchase order receipt. So when do I get this confirm purchase order details? If I want confirm purchase order receipt, what should I do? If when I will get the details, if confirm delivery, it should not
PO delivery.
0 means it should be always, you can see whenever it get 1 means what is mean by it, whenever you if you get 1 here, what is
Order delivered.
that time it will get the product will get delivered, is it correct? On that date,
Yes.
on that week you will get delivered. So how much amount will get delivered, how much we are giving the order here, suggested order amount. So this amount
Whatever we
the order,
start.
suggested order means this is the amount we required. Then how many weeks it should check, minus shipping time in weeks. So we should check each and every time shipping time also. Shipping time in weeks we should check, comma, our as per our instruction, as per our syntax we should write the 0 here.
Thanks.
Then else, if it is 1, if it is the greater than 0 means we should get the this values, otherwise we should get the 0.
0.
But
Not it.
you can see if then after that you should write the then condition. So after if confirm PO delivery less than or greater than 0, nothing but whenever if you have 1, what is our condition? We should get the suggested order amount whatever we have. So that one we should get. So otherwise whenever if you have 0 means confirm PO purchase order, confirm PO delivery, if you 0, then what happened? You can see here whenever I
Delivered.
confirm PO delivery, I should get the confirm purchase order receipt. I should receive these products here. Suggested
Yes.
order amount whatever we have, that should deliver whenever confirm PO delivery is the 1. If I don't have 1, what happened?
0.
I will get 0. So when we when we raise the request, in that scenario you will get PO submitted. When you raise the submit, when you submit the purchase order PO, you will receive confirm PO delivery 1 here. So after whenever you by using this condition, what you are writing, whenever if you have 1, whenever if you have confirm PO delivery 1, you should receive the inventories what we have given the order here. What is the amount we required here? 8192. So this order amount we should get here. You can see here, if confirm PO delivery less than or equal to 0 means whenever if it confirm delivery is 1, then offset suggested order amount you can see here. Suggested order amount we are checking and minus shipping time in weeks. So each and every time what should it do? So simply it will check the 2 weeks ago. So here it will go sign, simply it will go sign, this value it will pull here. Otherwise else condition, this is the if condition. If whenever if you have 1, then only it will works. So if you have else condition, if is 0, this whenever if you 0, so it doesn't check anything, simply it will provide the 0. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
So in this way it will work. So we need to understand this how supply chain is happening and how we need to understand these formulas, and step by step we need to understand. Here they have given instructions, each and every instruction they have given. So after completing this activity, you can see here, set the contact selectors cookie crumbs en in the week 9 financial year 2020. Select the boolean for the submit purchase order request. Which week now shows the values other than 0 in the confirmed purchase order receipt in the line item. So what should we do? First of all, we should select cookie crumbs en and we should go for the week 9 financial year 2020. This is our contact selectors. So contact selector nothing but you can see here cookie crumbs en. Cookie crumbs en we should select here, and financial year 2020 9th week you should check. Where is our ninth week?
Will be in March.
March we have ninth week. You can see here. And which line item we should take? Yes. So in week 9 financial year 2020, week 9 we
Submit
should
purchase
select.
order.
We should select the boolean in week 9 2000. We should select week 9 2020 as the boolean, not first week. We should select here week 9. We should select this one, not first week. So already we have removed there as well. So what happened when I select this one? So what happened? So which weeks we should check here? Week which week now shows a value other than 0 in the confirmed purchase order receipt line item. So we should check 5, 9, 11, 13 and
Fifth, I
purchase
think.
order receipt line item. 5, 9 confirmed purchase order receipt, check week 5. Check first of all week 5. Do we have non-zero? We have 0 here. Week 5 we have 0. Then week 9. So week 9 also we have 0. Then week 11 also we have 0. So where do we have the, then we should check the week 13. Week 13 we have values. Is it correct for the confirm purchase
Yes.
set?
Yes.
Yes. So we should select week 13 we have the non-zero. So that we whatever we have done, is it correct or not, we can confirm by selecting this one. Otherwise we don't have any option here, any screenshot. You can see correct whatever we have done. So in this way we can check. After answering this question, deselect the boolean formatted. We should not keep that one, otherwise we'll get confused later. We should remove. So each and every time we should compare our screenshot with this whatever they are provide. So that is the reason we should remove booleans. And what is our next section? D section. You can see remaining line items: ending inventory, reorder flag, safety stock, target and safety stock, exception count. So we have these 4 line items here. And show ending inventory. How we should get the ending inventory? They will provide some hints here. So this line item calculates the difference between the forecast demand and total of beginning inventory and value of confirmed purchase order receipt line items. So how we will get the ending inventory? Basically ending inventory means closing balance. So this what happened? So this is the difference between the forecast demand and total of beginning inventory and confirmed purchase order receipt. So what is mean by it? What is mean by ending inventory? How I will get the ending inventory? So it is the difference of, I should select the beginning inventory. How much I have product for this week or this month. You can see. Then confirm purchase order receipt. Confirm purchase order receipt means how much product do we have received for this week. Then forecast demand. What is forecast demand? How much we have consumption for each and every week. Is it correct? So you can see they have given clear
Yes.
instruction. So this is the difference of forecast demand and confirm purchase order receipt and beginning inventory. So I will apply this one. So I am getting minus here. So you can see we should not get minus here. So this line item calculates the difference between the forecast demand and total of beginning inventory and confirmed purchase order receipt items. So why we are getting minus, we should check. So here forecast demand, beginning inventory we have, yes, we'll get minus here, correct. So we should check starting value. So what is our beginning inventory value? Even we have checked total different. Yes. So you can see 13,000 our beginning inventory starting in products. Do we have received any value for this week? We don't receive. So 13,000 we have. And how much we have consumption for this week? 2048. Is it correct? What is mean by forecast?
2000.
What is mean by forecast demand?
Estimated.
Demand nothing but
Estimated for this. Yeah.
estimated is correct, but we have demand means we will sell this much products. Is it correct?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, we will sell this much product. Then what is ending closing balance? Nothing but ending inventory. Closing finally for this week, how much product do you have here? How much products do you have here?
That one. This 13,000 minus
13,000 plus 0 means nothing, minus this one. You will get the 10,952. So in this way you will get the ending inventory. They will provide each and every section some instructions we should follow here. So here what is reorder flag? So what is reorder flag? This boolean formatted line item is used to indicate if reorder is needed to maintain the ending inventory value greater than 0. So what is reorder flag means? So whenever if your stock is falling below 0,
minimum level. Yeah.
then what happened? We should provide the we should reorder the things. So it will provide the indication. One type of indication it will provide. For example, shipping delivery time for the product SKU is 2 weeks. So this formula will look 2 weeks into future and inventory falls below 0, the boolean formatted line item would check it true. So how it is happened we can check here. So what is, if your products are going to get below 0 here, then what happened? 2 weeks advance only it will provide the true here in reorder flag. So what happened? We can easily identify, yes, we are going to below 0 this week. So that is the reason we should order the products here, reorder the product here. So in this way it will work. So where we have the source for this one, we can check here what is the reorder flag here. So for reorder flag, what are the sources we have? Simply you can see ending inventory we should check and shipping time. These are the two source line items. It should not less than 0. So that is our condition here. So what should we do? Simply reorder flag you can see here, and we should use offset function here. And what is our sources here? Ending inventory and ending inventory we should take
Reorder.
comma shipping time in weeks. Anyway we have 0 this one syntax. So it should not less than 0. Is it correct? If it is less than 0, what happened? It will provide the true statement here. So how it is happened you can see here. So whenever if your ending inventory is following going to become below 0, you can see here your ending inventory. You can see here our ending inventory here below 0. So what happening here? What we are doing in reorder flag? Yes, 2 weeks advance only we are getting the flag here, means we should alert here so that we can reorder the products. So that is the reason we are providing this line item reorder flag, nothing but you can see. So how we are creating logic here, each and every line item you can see. Ending inventory we are checking, source is our ending inventory line item, and shipping time weeks we are not taking minus here. Why we are not taking minus here? We have taken plus symbol here. What is the reason here? What we want here exactly? Yes, why we have taken here plus here? if you are going to fall below 0 here, if you know 2 weeks advance it will get benefit, or if you know after 2 weeks it will get benefit, when it will get benefit for you
Before 2 weeks.
before.
Before 2 weeks.
Yes, so that is the purpose. You can see each and every time we should check before 2 weeks. When you are going to fall below 0, for that one I should know 2 weeks advance only, so that I can order the product, then within 2 weeks it will get reached. Otherwise if you know exact week or after 2 weeks later what happened, I need to do the order, then the products will reach in 2 weeks, then what happened, you may run out of stock. Is it correct?
Out of stock.
So that
Yeah.
is the reason. So these are the main things we should understand. So why we are taking each and every symbol, and when you are submitting purchase order request, we should take the minus. Why means when we raise the PO, then it will take 2 weeks. So here we are checking each and every time 2 weeks in advance. To whenever it is going to fall below 0, before 2 weeks only we should get the true here, so that we can identify and we can order the inventories.
So, Asipa, I have a question regarding in the offset formula. So, when we take minus, it will go in the future, and when we take plus, it will go in the back. Like
No,
let's
plus means
No,
plus
other way
means
around, other way around.
you are saying reverse, Irfan. Okay, plus means what happened, it will check 2 weeks advance. We are asking to check 2 weeks advance. Plus means for this formula, where I have 2 weeks, it will check each and every time 2 weeks advance. So then I am getting true here. Minus means what happened, it will check this two, this backward, past 2 weeks back it will check whatever it. Minus means past, plus means future. Is it clear? Why
yeah,
you are getting here
because last
means,
time we used the offset.
why you are getting true here means, we are checking what is our source line item, ending inventory. So ending inventory, our source line item, plus 2 I am giving, plus 2 nothing but shipping time weeks means 2, this one 2. What happening, it checks 2 weeks advance. I am here below 0, that is the reason I am giving true before 2 weeks only. Plus means it will check each and every time 2 weeks advance. Future time it will check. Is it clear, Irfan? What happening here?
Yes. I got it. Because I got confusion because last time we used offset formula to get the 2020 data in 2021. So 52
Yes.
weeks we are doing. So it is like last year to this year. So we are getting from minus past, plus is a future. Okay, got it
Yes.
now. Thank you, Asipa.
So we can see here, then one more condition, one more line item you have here. What is our third line item? Safety stock target. So what is our safety stock target? We can expand this formula, close this one. Safety stock target. So what is our safety stock? This line item should reference the weekly safety stock value in the distribution center parameter module and convert from half year values to weekly values. Where do we have this safety stock target values? Distribution center parameter module. Is it correct? So we don't have here in this module. We should go for the distribution center parameter module,
System one.
where we have that one, data 04. This is my source and this is my target. So do I have same dimensions? These dimensions are same. Time you check. Here I have half year and here I have weeks. Can I pull parent to child? Yes.
We need to use lookup.
We should use intermediate calculation. Without intermediate calculation, is it possible? Some intermediate calculation or time function we should use for time. Half year value, in half year details you have here. Here you have weeks. Then how should I pull?
We can pull it.
The half year function I should write here, so that I will get the details. So half year value we have one function. if I want to get safety stock target here, how should I write the formula? I should write so you can see half year value. Then you should go to module, open data 04 module. I want weekly safety stock value. Then what happened by writing this formula, you can check here. So that I will get the half year value for that 955 will get for each and entire different line items here. You can see. So by without writing half year value, if I pull from there to here, what happened? We have the details in half year there. We have time scale here weeks. We can't
Yes.
directly without half year. Is it correct?
Correct.
So in this way, we need to understand in which what is source and what is target. What are the different dimensions we have for the source and targets. So this way we need to understand. And safety stock exception. So what is safety stock exception? We have some logic here. For this one also we have one logic. The line item will display the total number of instances where ending inventory falls below safety stock target. So we should use if then else condition function to set value to 1 if there is a exception and 0 if there is not exception. Use summary method setting to calculate the total across time to see the total number of exception. So what we need here? We want exception condition. So what is our exception condition? We should write in this way. You can check. So which one is the exception condition? You can see this is a safety stock we should maintain.
When it falls below the safety stock. Yeah.
We should not maintain below the safety stock. Here this is a good thing. Up to week 10 is a properly we are maintaining the products. In week 11 what happening? We are following below the safety stock. Is it correct? We are following our safety stock
Yes,
is
yes.
955, we are maintaining minus 487. So what happened? We should get here 1 here. Exception count we should get. So we should write logic in that way. So what is the logic we should write? If what should we write? If safety stock target if safety stock target is greater than ending inventory, then what should we get? We should get 1. Else
1,
0.
0.
So you can see condition how it is working. So you can see here where we are getting 1. Safety stock is greater than ending inventory. You can see if safety stock greater than the ending inventory, then 1, else 0. This is exception count. Exception count means, so this is the we are not maintaining the proper stock. Exception means we are not maintaining the proper stock. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So you can see in March month we are not maintaining in 3 weeks, not maintaining the proper stock. So in this way we'll get the exception count. We should understand the logic. So what we want to do here? What is safety stock target? So what is safety stock exception? What is ending inventory? So these things we need to understand first. So by understanding this, what is ending inventory, what is safety stock target, what is safety stock exception count, we can build the formulas. So by understanding this business process, what is beginning inventory, what is the forecast demand, this is known as a functional part. By understanding the functional thing, what I am creating the formula here, I should use if then else condition, I should use like this. This is known as a technical part. Are you clear what is functional and what is technical here? Yes.
Asubhai, repeat one more time, please.
So we have the technical and functional part. By knowing of regarding the business is the functional part. Knowing the business concept. So what is the business concept? What is mean by beginning inventory? Opening stock for the business. Is it correct?
Yes, opening stock.
Understanding about the business process is known as a functional part. And what is the technical part?
A formula is the technical part.
Writing the formulas and implementing the writing the formulas and analyzing about the formulas comes under the
Technical part.
technical part.
Analytical.
So that is the reason so many times interviewer will ask, did you work as a technical or functional? So in few companies what happened, the
Techno-function.
technical team will be separate and functional team will be separate. But most, in big companies like big four companies, EY or Deloitte or whatever, like PwC, big companies are generally technical and functional will be different. But other companies what they do will they will hire for the techno functional requirement. These guys only should take the requirement from the end users. These guys only should understand their business, what is financial planning and everything. These guys only understand. They should understand, and according to their requirement they should create the list module and everything. But generally in big companies what happened, they will keep maintain the two separate teams. So development team will not interact with the end users. So and functional team will interact with the end user, and they will take the requirement and they will guide to the development team. So but in small company only we will get the two chances. We can work as a functional and we can work as a development. So anyway, whatever the chance we'll get, we should not leave any option. If we get any company, we should 100% we should join without thinking much about. So may I know who is this Imtiaz? Imtiaz is yes, may I know who is this Imtiaz? I think he's old history. Yes, sorry that no one is there. That is old history. So anyway, like we have completed this one. Up to we need to confirm whatever we have done so far. So we should check our answer should be looks like this. So 13,2048. We should compare our answer with the screenshot of this learning center. So what we are getting, go for first week. So check, try to keep your screen like this same way. So are we getting same screen? Can you see? Are we doing any mistake? You can see here. Are we getting any other values or same values we are getting? Yes. We have one mistake here. Can you find anyone? Only one mistake we have here. Can you find anyone? What is that mistake?
Size is visibility.
In the suggested order amount for the month 8194 is there.
94 we have 8192. Why we have 8192 means I will show this one. So in demand 03 module, what we have done, they have considered here week second or weeks first, I think. Week first. You can see here. Is this correct now?
Yes, correct.
Yes. So in this way, you can see here. So again, you are getting difference here, but that is a not a issue. Somewhere like we have selected some boolean here. You are getting two values getting increasing here again. 2048. If we get here, so that is the reason we have selected one boolean here. I think somewhere that is the reason we are getting one boolean we have selected somewhere. So because of that one, it is happening. New job or en. So anyway, this is the correct one. Nothing is there here. So they have selected boolean, I think, otherwise. So that is the reason they are getting. So we should not bother about this one. In week 5 financial year 2020 column, you can see the reorder flag is true. So in week 5 we have true here. We should check, do we getting week 5 true or not. So where we are getting true here, week 5, do we getting true? Yes, we are getting true here. And you can see inventory value in week 7 less than 0. That is the reason we are getting. Safety stock exception count also indicates the ending inventory is less than safety stock value. Already we have seen that functionality as well. So everything we have completed that one. And so now if you select this one, what happened? If you select week 1, what happened? You can check here. If I select here, then I should check again. Same thing I should check. What happening? I should check here. Do I getting same values or not? If I select here, I am getting the values in the here. In week 3rd, I am getting the values. You can see here. Is it correct? I am getting values here. I am getting values here. 8192, 1548. You can see. Is it correct? Whatever we are getting.
Yes.
So each and everything we should confirm here. So how already we have seen this one when we raise the submit purchase order request, confirm PO delivery should be we should get here, and whatever the amount we have here in suggested order amount here we should get here. So each and everything we have seen here. Nothing is the problem. So again they are removing here. So just for confirmation, they are removing here. So everything is perfect. Then finally you can see one more screen, all products. You should select all products and check. Try to keep all products and you can see what is the beginning inventory. 845329. 845329. Is it correct? 182604. 182604.
Yes.
Is it correct everything? Yes. So we can see each and everything is perfect. So there is no need to bother. So we can go ahead. So by watching this one, we can confirm that everything we have done, whatever so far it is correct one. So next activity onwards, you can see update inventory ordering to allow override amount. So we need to add few more line items here, other sections. So we need to add 3 times we need to add. So we'll complete this one tomorrow. We can't complete tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days it will take almost. So we'll continue tomorrow these activities and same time, and try to complete all these activities so far whatever we have done here, and update me. And you should follow instructions like if you are doing 2 to 3 members at a time, try to archive the others models and do your activities. then only you can do the activities. Is it clear for everyone how we should do?
Yes.
Yes.
So these are the three key activities. Try to close as soon as possible so that we can go smoothly. Tomorrow or like day after tomorrow we can close